2 air passengers fined in Canada for presenting fake COVID-19 test results. Air travelers are prohibited from knowingly providing false or misleading COVID-19 test documentation. Passenger was fined $6,500 for presenting an altered COVID-19 test and knowingly boarding a flight from Dominican Republic. Passenger was fined $2,500 for presenting an altered COVID-19 test and knowingly boarding a flight from USA. Pre-departure testing of air travelers is a key component of the Government of Canada's measures to protect Canadians from COVID-19, and helps prevent air travel from being a source for the spread of the virus. Transport Canada has issued fines to 2 individual passengers for presenting false or misleading COVID-19 pre-departure tests. The first passenger was fined $6,500 for presenting an altered COVID-19 test and knowingly boarding a flight from the Dominican Republic to Toronto on February 8, 2021. In this case, the passenger also made a false declaration to the air carrier about their health status. The second passenger was fined $2,500 for presenting an altered COVID-19 test and knowingly boarding a flight from the United States to Toronto on April 3, 2021. Under the interim order respecting certain requirements for civil aviation due to COVID-19, air travelers are prohibited from knowingly providing false or misleading COVID-19 test documentation. Under the order, travelers must obtain a negative result on a COVID-19 molecular test within 72 hours of boarding any flight inbound to Canada or a proof of a positive test result within at least 14 days and no more than 90 days prior to arrival, and present the results to the air crew prior to boarding their flight. Any passenger failing to comply with the interim order could be subject to fines of up to $5,000 per violation. The Government of Canada continues to strongly advise Canadians that this is not the time to travel. Transport Canada will continue to investigate incidents reported to the department and will not hesitate to take enforcement action where it is warranted.